What? Are you interrupting mommy while she's trying to work? Do you want to be the star of the show? Someone's looking a little bit chunky.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be addressing a topic that I feel like is kind of touchy, and a lot of people don't necessarily like to hear the advice, but with summer coming right around the corner and everyone kind of in that mindset to get bikini body ready, I figured what better time than to share the knowledge that I have on this topic. So obviously by the title you can tell that I will be talking about why you are not losing weight. It can be really frustrating, especially if you are working out regularly and eating healthy. Weight loss can be a tricky subject to master, but hopefully I can make your life a little bit easier with these tips that I am about to share with you. Before we get into it, if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. You guys always make my day when I see new subscribers on here. And if you thought this video was useful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Now, without further ado, let's get into these tips. A lot of people are under the assumption that you can lose weight without ever lifting a finger or setting foot into a gym. While many people turn to dieting to lose weight, the problem with this is as soon as you stop, you are going to notice yourself gaining the weight back, and you may even gain extra weight on top of that. Plus, you just aren't going to get that toned physique that you imagined because you haven't built up any muscle. So let me give you a good example of this. If you are fairly overweight, then you can go from this to this simply by just cleaning up your diet. And while that's great, and if you're happy with that, then perfect, but you are not going to achieve this. In order to achieve the latter, you really need your workouts to consist of about 80% cardio and 20% weightlifting. It doesn't have to be sprinting because trust me, you will never ever catch me running unless I'm being chased. My favorite way to start out my workouts is always with the Stairmaster, but there are other alternatives too, of course. You can do cycling, which is great, and you can also do the treadmill, and you can do it at an incline and just kind of power walk. Low intensity workouts like that are still great for getting your heart rate up and helping you to lose weight. Also, if you are a beginner or you are just really out of shape, it's super important that you don't lift really heavy weights. People that you see who are really fit, who are lifting really heavy weights, are bodybuilders, or they've been doing it for years and years and they know exactly what they're doing. But just don't push yourself to the point of injury, because the second you injure yourself, you aren't going to be able to do anything at all. Another thing that's making it difficult for you to lose weight is not targeting a specific body part per workout. Now, what I mean by this is don't just go out there and then start doing push-ups and squats and crunches. This really is not going to benefit you because you're not going to be able to focus on working a specific body part, and you're going to just kind of be all over the place, and it's going to be really sporadic. What you want to do is pick a certain body part that you want to work out that day and alternate it with different body parts throughout the week. So for example, if you're going to the gym on a Monday, maybe Monday is leg and glute day, and pick 5 workouts that you want to do to target those muscles. That way the next day when you are doing maybe biceps and back, your legs and glutes get a chance to rest. And lastly, this isn't really a tip, this is more just knowledge that I think that everybody should know. And that is that you need to work out in order to condition your body to burn fat. When you condition your body this way, you will begin to burn more calories, and you will even burn calories in your sleep. I can tell you, if you are just trying to avoid working out altogether, you are not going to get the body that you imagined. Like I said before, you may initially lose weight, but because you don't have any muscle built up underneath, you will not look lean and toned. That is it for today, guys. I hope these tips were helpful, and I hope that you can go into the gym feeling a little bit more confident and a lot more motivated. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys so much for watching.